this is our surgery and treatment room. I mentioned these guys sometimes will come in with injuries and things like that, so we can perform full surgeries here if we need to. Sometimes they have big bulgy eyeballs. A lot of times their eyes get injured, so we do frequently have to do eye enucleations, which is removing an eye, and they can survive in the wild like that. So we're able to take that eye out and send them on their way because they use their vibrissae or their whiskers a lot more to find their way around. And we have a full-time marine mammal veterinarian, which is really nice. That's another perk of volunteers or interns that are here. They're getting to ask her questions, learn directly from someone who's been in the field, as well as myself as a vet tech. And so we have this very fancy human anesthesia machine. We can do endoscopy, so if they've swallowed a fishing hook or something they shouldn't have swallowed, we can do that in their stomach, get stuff out. But really it's all about the science behind what's affecting these animals and how can we mitigate it out there in the big wide world.
So we hook this up, it gives the 360 view of the entire space, and we've been using it to invite students to ask about where they want to explore so they can see the full space. They can tell us like, what's that thing? And then we can go over, and depending on how good it's being, we can wave at it, get our attention, and then highlight the individual object around us. And then we also jump on the Zoom meeting with a cell phone as well, and then we turn the owl off, turn the cell phone on, and then bring them around and they explore the entire space with us in a virtual setting. So we partnered with the Mass Center to create an activity we call SeaLife CSI, where students get a skeleton of an unknown animal in a box. It goes to their school, they articulate the skeleton and figure out which species they're looking at, and then they get a case file that's all actual x-rays, necropsy reports, intake forms from the hospital, and they try to figure out why they think that animal died. And then they follow everything up with a tour, a virtual tour, and they learn all the equipment that collected the data that they used. Really amazing to get folks in Yakima, Spokane, Steilacoom, close neighborhoods who just can't afford the busing, to get to see the facility, which has been really cool.